curves from their source, like from their planes, which are these planes, which we already used, right? So to put the tags on, but we can use it again. And we can have them here on this XY plane, but maybe we can just rotate this because yeah, we are going to see them side by side, but we want to see them maybe a bit like this. So how we can do that, we go to the vector, we go and rotate plane, and rotate this plane. Angle is going to be degrees, so we can have 270 or maybe 90. Let's see, we'll see about that. Let's start with 90 maybe, and then put this in, and then put this onto this target. And you see now we are having all these curves that are put in. And what we are doing here, you see we are having all these points, but these planes are like